the microphone with these iron hands. Wire diagrams drawn on my diaphragm. I never had a plan, just a bag of cans. Pack my bags and went in search of these higher lands. Now I'm bringing heat, call a fireman. Iron Man and a skull pattern spite the gang. No diet plan, I smash whip a snap a mini-me's. Talk a lot, remain short like Gimli's mini-knees. Super-sized similes, sound hollow. You're backing up the wrong tree, Rocky be Apollo. Me and the boys keep it flowing like an open valve. Overflow sewers when we rise from the underground. Thunderclouds, yo, we roll like a nimbus. Reagan, electrical fingers. Cajun flavors, impeccable figures. Yeah, dropping our jazz like Charlie Mingus.
I make movie tune, I'm crazy like a Looney Tune. Too many things on my spoon, that's why I keep myself closed like a cocoon. Waiting for the monsoon to pass. Maybe that's why I'm feeling down, not easy cause I got no grass. Yeah, sometimes life is a pain in the ass. I lost my grasp, feeling like I've been bitten by an ass. Spitting with a cute kitten, thinking my spitting won't last. But it's hidden in the writtens, here's a quick blast. I'm making peace with my past life cause I'm living in the now. Spitting in my native tongue cause I'm proud. Ta fod y ddraig yn echel i Cymru Gymraeg yn golchi'r tir fel y glaw. Mae'n amser pan i fy hada eto nawr. So pasha fi yr haw, mae gen i saws yn ersyn tyfu'n sydyn ar y nawr. Roedd i barod am y prawf. Symud ymlaen i'r dyfodol, so paid â becso. Neu byth edrych yn ôl, dim hyd yn oed i checio. Dwi'n mae'n crecio, unwaith eto ar y taith yn cario ymlaen fel echo. Echo, efo'r iaith dwi'n old school hen ysgol. Yeah, you could call it retro, we're making classics. Taking it back to the basics. While fake shit should I be chilling in the matrix until I'm stasis in a spaceship.
Mae'n hyfryd, fydd ar y hen stryd. Cymryd dal yn gynrychioli fath a hen dydd. Ond fy mren i ma'n di a gwyn am ddiffyn. Man listen, ni'n credau agryn plannu'r hadyn. That's what's happening, gods and colli'r plot yn y zoo. Me and him yn erbyn nhw. Ar fy siw, the crew, creu twrw. Beth yn gwybod am hwn o fwdw yn ei feirio wan yn fwdw. Wyn gwyrdd coch, dyna sut da ni'n byw.